Hey guys, this is Liana and I'm at the Zoom studio with all your Twitter questions that you guys have sent to me. So I'm going to read out a few. So this one's from Saif Sheikh and the question is, how has the shift been from doing movies down south to Bollywood, and one director you would like to work with? Well, the shift has been pretty easy. I didn't think it was going to be this easy, but I think I was very lucky to have a really good break in films as far as Bollywood goes. I had somewhat like a dream debut with Barfi and it's been amazing. You guys have been really appreciative and have just welcomed me so warmly in my first film itself, so I couldn't have asked for anything better. So you have made it easier for me. And one director I'd like to work with, there's so many. There's way too many, and I think I might just offend some other directors if I name just one. So there's a lot of directors, and well, I hope to work with the best. Okay, there's another one from someone called Siddharth My Love, and there's a little kissy smiley face there at the end. And the question is, which Bollywood actor you dream to work with? Again, a question I can't answer because we have tremendous amount of actors in Bollywood and tremendous talent. So there's so many. I'm working with such a varied sort of range. I'm working with Shahid. My first film was with Ranbir. I'm doing a film with Varun, who's from the new lot. And plus I'm working with Saif in another film. So I think I've got a good balance going on, but maybe I'll work with some of your favorite actors soon. There's one from Priyanka Bijlani, and the question is, who's a better co-star, Shahid or Ranbir? They're very different people. They're very different actors, and it's been equally fun working with both of them, but very different films so the experience has been different. But it's been fun so far, and I can't pick one or the other. Ranbir will always be special because it was my first film and my debut. And he's an amazing co-star to work with, and Shahid's fun and spunky, and he had this madcap role that he had in the film that we worked together on. So it was a different experience entirely, and it was fun overall. So, well, yeah, it's been great overall. But thank you for all these questions, and I hope you guys like the answers I gave you.
Hey guys, this is Shahid and I'm going to be reading some of your questions which you've posted on the Zoom Twitter chat, and I'm going to try and answer a couple of them for you here on camera so you know that it's actually me answering your questions. The question is, which is your favorite song from PPNH? My current favorite song is called Dhating Nach. So everybody out there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chal Dhating Nach. The next question is, when sad or depressed, which is the one movie that cheers you up? 2 films हैं जो मुझे देखना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, which are my favorite comedy films because when you're down you want to see like a fun movie. One is called Andaz Apna Apna, which is by the director of Mr. Nikla Hero, Mr. Rajkumar Santoshi. मैं कितनी भी बार देखूँ मैं बोर नहीं होता. And my favorite words in that film are Aila and Uima. And the second film is Jaane Bhi Do Yaaron, जिसमें मेरे father थे. उसको कुंदन शाह ने direct किया था, and there were some phenomenal actors in that film, and I think it's like my all-time favorite.